Hi guys, I know I've been doing a lot of this kind of no makeup kind of look, and I promise you I will probably try and sort out my face and my hair very soon. I've got this wild idea to start doing hair extensions, like the nano strands, like myself. I've seen it and it looks like a lot of work, but I feel like it's something that I could do. So I am going to go to Fired Earth today to have a look at some samples, and I've got my tile samples with me, so I'm gonna put them next to the ones that we want, because I didn't realize it would be so hard to find a marble like border and dado rail, so we're gonna put that all together. We don't need the tiles just yet, but they do have a sale on because they don't ordinarily do discounts on like Mandarin Stone. They will do a discount if you are a returning customer. They also do sales and things like that, and Cornerstone are very good too. But anyways, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna try and film it on there. I get really shy when I film. So this is the East Hampton black marble dado rail and pencil. That is gonna go really well with the crackled glazed subway tiles. So guys, we're just back from Fired Earth. I just filmed a little bit in there because there was like someone else in there and the lady kept on hovering around me, so I didn't feel that comfortable to film, but I did get a little bit so you guys can see what we're gonna go for. So next up, I need to go and get a tray for painting, and I'm thinking of getting the disposable ones because I just don't want to wash paint off a tray and then it go down the drain. I just don't know if that's what I should be doing with it. So at least if I get a disposable one, I can just bin it after, and they're made out of cardboard, so they will go in the recycle bin. So I'm gonna do that because I am gonna give a go at painting some architraves, because I'm fed up of waiting for a decent painter to come, and so you know, I'm gonna be really careful, and I'm just like worried about having someone else in my house and doing it because you can get flecks of paint everywhere. So anyways, that's my little project, and I might even do the rises on my steps, but we'll see how far I'll go. It is the next day today because I didn't film because we had so much research to do on trying to source the products that we want for the cheapest price. And my builder came around and he's gonna start some work. So I'm gonna show you what he's doing. I wanted like some steps and things like that. And then he is gonna do the bathroom, but that's going to get started next week. So that's why I've just been trying to hurry up and buy everything. But anyways, I completely forgot to show you guys in my last video this tripod. Now I did find it off the TikTok shop. Okay, so you just hold it like this, then you open it like that. So once you get hand in, you can just push this up or lift this part like this, and then it's like a tripod, but you can easily place it like that. But this is great. I think this goes up to like 6 foot, so amazing. And if you like do content creating, but you can do all of this to change it around. Let me just bring it down so you guys can see what I'm doing. You can have your phone held in here, and it's really handy, and you can turn it around the other way as well if you wanted to do it like on the floor, and then you turn it back around like this, and then you can close it again. So this is going to be handy because I must start filming some reels. I don't know what it is, but I feel like I'm such a creature of habit that I just get lost and sucked in sometimes. So in like this, and it's so compact, you can just put it in your bag and go. I love how slimline it is. I really wanted something like this for my actual camera, but I want to show you the tripod as well that I got. So this is the tripod that I wanted to show you. I got it off Amazon and I absolutely love the grip for this. It's literally amazing. You can bend it, straighten it up, and it also comes with a phone holder too. So this is what I use to just vlog like this. So yeah, so I love this, and it was super cheap on Amazon as well. So I'm gonna link that for you. It's really handy if you want to take like photos, videos and things like that. It's just really great. You can also tilt things like left and right, so really happy with that. So I am going to pop to Tops tiles. I want to see what they have. I need to get my tiles sorted out soon. So I wanted to get like mosaic for like the back of the niche. I need to order that, and once the bathroom's done, I will link where I got everything from, because we're trying to source everything for like the best price. And also the tiles that I showed you earlier, I'm in two minds. I want some skirting, but I'm in kind of two minds really for the flooring. I did find a really nice border, so I definitely want a border, and I'm thinking of either going for like really small penny tiles, all in white, and have the black and white border in like a travertine square. I thought, oh, the square and like the octagon shape isn't gonna go, but I've seen it on Pinterest and stuff, and it looks like it does. So I am gonna go to Tops Tiles and see what they have, and then I am gonna come back. I'm just like too hot to cook today. I did hoover everywhere, and then I mopped the floors, and a bit pointless really, because my builder's probably going to come in and out and make it all dirty again. But I've done some washing, and I'm just wondering whether to make like a healthy treat. I've been wanting to do something with dates, but then I'm kind of out of dates. I've got some walnuts, so maybe let's see. And I'm not wearing much makeup today. I'm literally just wearing like a tiny bit of concealer, not much here, and then I'm wearing like a little bit of eyeshadow that I've just brought out, and then some mascara, and I put like a few dots of concealer, and I'm wearing like a little bit of that lip balm that I showed you because it makes a big difference, and then just some brow gel. So anyways, yeah, I'm like, anyways, after 500 products on my face, that's it. But that's really it, and it's great for the summer as well, because it's boiling. Today we're gonna have a heat wave in the UK. So this weekend I wanted to do something. I wanted to go somewhere nice, because I haven't been feeling like great lately. So I thought the one place that kind of makes me feel nice is like the beach. So I might do that this weekend. Okay guys, don't laugh at me, but I've just pulled up to Tops Tiles, and I'm wearing like, I feel really silly in my little hat, but honestly it stops me from getting sunstroke and everything else. Anyways, I'm gonna head in there and see what they have. Wish me luck. Boiling hot out there. I just spent ages in an electrical shop talking to a guy about lights for my patio, and anyways, I came back with a couple. I think I'm gonna get 2 more, but I'm going to show you these tomorrow when I should do the patio, to give you guys more of an idea. So very similar to my patio ones already that I've got at home. Obviously what I've got at home in my back patio, the back. So I'm going to show you that maybe when the sun goes down, then you'll see what I mean, because we're having it in the actual step. And then I don't know why Boots always do this. I ordered like 4 items, and look at this big box, but I got the Kat Von D, the tattoo liner that I was talking about. This lasted me for a really long time, and I actually love the way it goes on. They do a brown one, so I want to get a brown one, but I also wanted to try the Huda Beauty one, and I get the organic round cotton pads like every day. I love these, and it was like 3 for 2, so I just got them. Can't go wrong. So I'm gonna have some lunch now and just cool down, because I'm so hot. It's really hot, so I'm not really like filming properly, but I'm just making a Thai green curry with some broccoli, and we're gonna have that with, well, when I say I'm gonna have that with 0 calorie noodles, and then for my husband I'm just gonna make these like rice noodles, because he doesn't need to eat low calorie, I do. And it's very warm out there. I don't think I'm gonna be going out. I wanted to go out for a walk, but I just don't think that I'm gonna be able to. So I'm just gonna be cooking away over a hot stove. Just kidding, I'm gonna step away from this, turn this off in like a few minutes, and I think I'm gonna have some cold water, because that's the only thing with 0 calories.
Yeah, you're right.
So this is
I don't mind if you get me in
front steps.
I'm not camera shy.
Yeah. This is gonna go on the internet. So yes, this is gonna be front steps. Here we're gonna have 2 steps with some bricks, and then these we're gonna do something with here. So guys, this is the update. Brendan doing really well. Then we've got the slabs to be put on, but we want to actually have them bull-nosed, But yeah, I really love these bricks, and they're the same bricks that we have around the back. It's so warm out there, and I don't know what the lighting's like, but I am in the process of making some iced tea. I've never made iced tea before, but before I do, I just want to turn you guys around and show you the tiles that I have now found, and I think will be super lovely. So I might show you this down actually. So I was thinking of these tiles. This has like kind of gloss finish. This will be for the floor. But because it has like a mosaic, I'm not worried about it being slippery, and we have such a tiny bathroom that you haven't got far to go if you do slip. So this is going to be like the border on the outside going all the way around, and this is just going to be in the inner with no black. And then this is the crackled glaze tile, the crackled glaze, and the colour matches this really well. I don't know if you can tell, but this is like the perfect, because the other floor was a bit too white, where this is actually really a good match. So I'm gonna be happy with that. And then I think either this one or that one inside of the, I'll probably go for this one inside of the niche, and then have a black border. All I'm gonna be using is 3 tea bags, and I'm gonna chop up some lemon. But first I'm gonna put some water in here. I'm gonna put around 4, I think maybe, so I'm going to pour it into this pitcher. So I think, let's see. I think I'm going to put around maybe 1.5 pints. I think 1.5. I've put 1.5 of boiling water into this pitcher with 3. I've used Yorkshire tea, because Yorkshire tea is like the only tea that I like. So I am going to use this as a coaster actually. And then I'm gonna chop up some lemons. These are unwaxed lemons, but I'm just gonna wash them anyhow. I think I'm just gonna add the 1. I've just got my cutting board, and I'm just going to chop this up. I'm gonna get rid of the ends, but I'm gonna do like some nice thick slices, and then I'm gonna get rid of the pips as well. And actually I'm just gonna squeeze this into here. And I think I might put some ice in this pitcher as well, but I'll do that once this has cooled down a little. And so let this brew for 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. This is actually still really hot, but I've got some maple syrup, so you don't need to add any sweetener. Well, actually you do, unless you don't want any, but I really do think it's worth putting in, because it can be, I mean, I don't know, I actually drink tea without sugar. It's the only beverage like that I kind of enjoy without sugar, but I don't know what it will be like when it's cold. So anyways, I'm gonna put a little bit of this. I'm gonna give some to my builder in a minute, my guinea pig. Maybe I'll just put like 2 teaspoons, because it's maple syrup, it's not refined sugar. So I'm just gonna fill the whole pitcher up with some ice. This is like this silicone thing I got off Amazon actually. Sorry, since I've got Prime, I just I think it's because I didn't go out for a long time, and so now it's kind of, I don't know, I don't really go out that much, but I think I might put a little bit in here, start pouring. Okay. This literally just went all over. I try to do it like effortlessly, as you see it on like YouTube and stuff, and TikTok and the rest of it, but it doesn't happen in reality. So anyways, I'm gonna try some of this. I'm gonna put this on actually, and I'm gonna stick it in the fridge because I'm out of ice cubes now. So guys, that is it from me for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little iced tea recipe. It wasn't really mine, I found it on the internet, but it's actually just like really easy to put together. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and please do stay tuned for Sunday's video, because I do have a couple of leather trousers that I got from, well, I'll show you on Sunday, but I think I might be styling them up for some summer evenings and stuff. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.